Look at the pumpkins. It's a collie.
All these pumpkins.
Can you come around next summer?
Cool. Look at a pirate. Yo ho, yo ho. All those jack-o'-lanterns.
You see the ghost? Say hi, ghost.
Hi, Ghost.
Uh-oh, nice.
Hi, Ghost. Say hi, Ghost.
Oh, I forgot to turn him on.
Say hi, Ghost. Look, do you see the bones? Skull? Do you see the skull? Where is it?
A bowl.
You want a what?
A bowl.
It's that one right there.
Oh.
This one right here. Right here.
All right, Ryan, let's go in. Find the gorilla. Oh, hey.
Oh, not in your mouth. Not in your mouth.
You want to put him back down?
I think we need to turn that light
It's okay if we... You do? You're on the... Turn the basement light off.
Coming, Ryan. It's coming. Slowly but surely.
Come look at these eyes that are blinking.
Yeah.
No, we're going to say.
Look at these eyes, Ryan.
Wow. You see them?
The eyes are flashing.
You see the eyes?
Right here. Where are the eyes? Right there.
See those eyes?
I see the funny spider looking at you. He's looking at you. He says, hi, Ryan.
Did this lady do something?
Yeah.
All those hands.
He does.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think I
There's a
can
pumpkin
do that.
jack-o'-lantern. There's a jack-o'-lantern. There's some spiders. Those are... It was just Holly. It was just Holly.
He is gonna. I hope he doesn't have nightmares. I know it. He is, the poor boy. Maybe he should go in there.
What's that? I don't know. What's this thing? What's that?
Come here, Ryan. Come in. We gotta have.
I don't know.
But we should take him in there.
Well, let's try not to be too scary, guys.